Mabuhay! Welcome to English 101, a crash course series made just for you. Today, let's learn about using indirect objects. Use indirect objects to explain who or what receives direct objects. You can add two or four before indirect objects if they come after direct objects. For example, under the direct object column, you can say, I told a joke, I bought a gift. But under the direct object plus indirect object column, you will now have to say, I told a joke to my friend. I bought a gift for my dad. Clear? And for more examples, we can say, I gave the keys to my sister. I baked a cake for my friend. Just be careful to add the correct preposition. You will have to memorize which verbs take two and which verbs take four. Your two verbs include give, tell, send, lend, read, wish. Your four verbs include buy, make, bake. For instance, you can say, I lent my car to my brother, or I bought a new video game for my children. Again, be careful, you cannot add two or four when the indirect object comes before the direct object. Hence, it is wrong to say, I lent to my brother my car. Instead, please say, I lent my brother my car. It is also wrong to say, I bought for my children a new video game. Instead, you should say, I bought my children a new video game. Clear? You can also put indirect objects before direct objects too. Under the direct object column, you will say, I told a joke, I bought a gift. But under the direct object plus indirect object column, you will now say, I told my friend a joke. I bought my dad a gift. And for more examples, we can even say, I lent my brother my car. I bought my children a new video game. Got it? Then, feel free to use pronouns for both direct and indirect objects. For nouns, please say, I told a joke to my friend. For pronouns, you can say, I told it to her. For nouns, you can also say, I bought my dad a gift. For pronouns, you can even say, I bought him it. Of course, we cannot let you go without more examples. You can also say, I lent it to him, or I lent him it. Maybe even say, I bought it for them, or I bought them it. Yes? Alright. So, that's all for today's quick lesson. Thank you so much and good luck!